What enhancements did MIS include in the 7?
The 7 has been enhanced with platform switching design concept. Studies have shown that implants with platform switching exhibit less marginal bone loss compared to non-platform switched implants. In addition, and these are the big news, we've created a new line of concave emergence profile abutments which increase the soft tissue volume.
So why did MIS decide to add new features to the 7?
MIS is always working to develop innovative products. We also want to improve and enhance the products we have to make them even more effective, simple and safe. We took one of our best-selling implants and decided to enhance its stability even more, to give the doctor the advantage of better soft tissue and bone preservation and growth.